all in the final random selection for class 6 Odia medium of DM school. First of all, I would like to introduce the admission committee. First of all, Professor Mansi Goswami, chairperson of admission committee of DM school. I would like camera to kindly focus. Then next to ma'am is Dr. J.K. Chaudhary. He is senior most PGT and in charge assistant headmaster of DM school. Next to him is Professor Madam Gauramma. She is professor in RIE, professor of education. Next to her we have Mrs. K.B. Lakra, senior most TGT of the school. Next to her we have Mr. Nand Kishore Gonial, postgraduate teacher of computer science. Next to him we have engineer D.P. Mishra. He is teacher of electronics, senior teacher of electronics. Next to him is Mr. Gyananjan Mishra, in charge of primary section. He will also be conducting the technical part of this selection. Next to him is Mr. Jaipal Soren, our office head from DM school. I am Akhileshwar Mishra, headmaster DM school. So I would like to tell you in brief what we are going to do, because most of you, if not all, must be new to the system how we do random selection. In layman's language it's a lottery, but lottery with the help of technology. We use a software named SPSS. This picks up the candidates. In fact, it doesn't know candidate, it only knows the items. It picks up the items each time it is asked to, with a what number it has to pick up. And generally, every time it picks up the number from a large size of items, those items, picked up items or selected items are different. That is the basic principle on basis of which we are using it. And we have been using it for around 30 years. What we'll be doing is, first of all, I'll show you the seat allocation, the entire detail of how many forms were received, category wise. I hope people are able to see on their screen. Total number of seats we have 35. If you see on the left side column, these are the categories: SC, ST, ex-defense, PH, NCRT ward, then general candidates and total. In SC we have 60 candidates who have applied, eligible candidates. In ST 12 candidates. In ex-defense 4. In PH category we have 2. NCRT none of the wards applied, and in general we have got 402, making total 480 candidates who are eligible to undergo this random selection process category wise. As already indicated in information sheet along with the admission notice that we had given, the percentage of seats reserved for SC is 15%, and if we take 35 seats total, 15% comes out to be approximately 5. So 5 candidates will be selected. In ST category, the reservation is 7.5% of total, that comes out to be approximately 3, rounded to 3. So 3 candidates will be taken. In ex-defense we have 0.5. That's very small number, so it is rounded to a whole number, and that is 1. So 1 candidate will be taken in ex-defense category. And in PH we have 3%, that makes 1.05, that is rounded to 1. And in NCRT 24%, there are 8 seats, but since nobody is there, that those seats will be going to general category. In general category, remaining seats are for general category, that is 17, and out of 402 candidates, every category candidates are available except NCRT ward category. So these seats will be diverted, and that will be going to general category by rule. So last column, if we see what is the final breakup of allocated seats which are going to be selected category wise, in SC category there are 5, in ST there are 3, in ex-defense 1 candidate, in PH 1, NCRT nil, and in general 17 plus 8 25, and total 35 candidates will be selected. This is the basic detail in the brief. Now what our SPSS system will do, we will be doing the selection category wise, so that the randomized selection is done for SC category from among 60 candidates which are available, and 5 will be selected and some more will be taken for the waiting list. Each time that we conduct this random selection, you can note down the numbers